Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another feature in Salesforce that is going to make your day-to-day life with Salesforce so much better. Have you heard about favorites in Salesforce? If not, in next few minutes you are going to learn everything about it, and most likely you will be using it every day while you work in Salesforce. So let's jump right into it. For example, I am on the Sales app. This feature is available for all the apps as well. So for our demo scenario, we are going to be clicking on Accounts tab from the top navigation. So here we are in our Accounts tab. And for example, I am working with a particular account, in this case, a Burlington Textile Corporation of America. And I need to access this record on a daily basis. Now, currently, without using favorites, for me to access this particular record, I need to come to Salesforce login, click on the Accounts tab, probably go to my list view, click on the specific record to be able to access it. Now that is too many clicks for me to be able to access one record that I need to access in so many times in a particular day. So wouldn't it be nice if there was a particular way for you to quickly access those records immediately? Where let's see how we can accomplish that using favorites. So while I am here with the record, I'm going to see this star button called Add Favorite. I'm gonna click on that. And with just that click, what has happened is we have added our Burlington Textile account record into the favorites. Now the best part is while I'm working through the other tasks, for example, I am working with another particular contact. If I wanted to go back to that account record, I no longer need to click on accounts and identify that particular record, Burlington. What I could do is go to this drop down arrow just beside the star icon. And now here what I see is already favorited record. So in this case, Burlington. And if I click on this, it's gonna bring me back to the record immediately. Now the best part is I cannot only favorite one type of records, so not only accounts, but it allows me to favorite other types of records as well. So for the demo purposes, we are going to select one contact record. So for example, I'm working with Ashley and I need to track this record on a frequent basis. So again, adding it to favorite is just clicking on this star icon. And then let's take one more example. Let's pick it up from opportunities. And I want to track two of my opportunities which are in negotiation stage. So I'm going to click on United Oil as well as United Oil office portable generators. Now you would notice one time is as soon as you click on the star icon, it gets darkened like a blue color. So it shows you that this record is already favorited. And if you need to remove it, all you have to do is just click on this star icon one more time. So I'm going to click it here to remove the favorite for this particular opportunity record. Now, suppose you are logged in to Salesforce record and I want to access all of my bookmarks at one place. Now to do that, all you have to do is click on this drop down and it brings up all the record which I have favorited in my Salesforce org. So I see my United Oil installation, I see Ashley from the contact record, and I also see Burlington from my account record. Now, I frequently want to see opportunity on top because this is what I mostly use. So I can click on edit favorites and it lets me drag and drop my records, what I see on the favorites. So I'm going to drag my opportunity on top of all the other records, and then I'm going to probably bring in my contacts after my opportunity. So basically it lets me rearrange all the records that I see. And one more thing while we are here is we could also rename these favorites. So I could just call it basically you could name it anything that is relevant to you and click on done. Now next time if I need to access that opportunity record, all I need to do is click on this drop down and I'm going to click on my favorite opportunity record and it brings me right to my United Oil installation opportunity record. Now to extend this further, this not only works with all the objects, but it also can extend it to the list views. So let me show you what I mean. When I click on Opportunities tab, I am currently looking at a particular list view called My Deal Breaker Opportunities. And for example, I would like to even bookmark my list view page, which is Deal Breaker Opportunities. What I do is while I'm on this particular list view, I'm going to click on this star icon one more time. And there you go. You have added the My Deal Breaker Opportunities as one of the bookmark that you see right here. So suppose you are looking at a specific contract record and I want to go back to my deal breaker opportunities. All I need to do is again click on that and it takes me back to my deal breaker opportunities list view. Now it also supports reports and dashboards. So many of us use the reports and dashboards on a daily basis, and sometimes it is easier if we can add all the things that we use in a frequent basis. So what we are going to do is pick up one record, one report, and one dashboard and add it to the bookmark. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on my reports tab and I have a sample report which I frequently use. And again, I'm going to come to this star icon and click on it. And this report is now bookmarked. Same thing for dashboard. So I'm going to click on that dashboard tab, pick up a particular dashboard record. And this, for example, this is the dashboard that I frequently use and I want to get to it as fast as possible. While I'm on the dashboard record, I can go and click on the star icon again. Now what you see is if I go back to home and I want to access that specific report, all I need to do is click on this drop down and I can go to any of these records, including the reports and dashboard. So let's take an example with report. It takes me not only the reports tab, but right to the report that I need in one click. Isn't it amazing? The same thing. So I'm going back to my home record and it is accessible. So the bookmarks are always available to you. All the favorites are available to you, no matter where you are on the Salesforce org. So if you are on the leads record, tasks, files, accounts, you always see on the top right, right? And let's go to the dashboard in this case. And I'm going to click on my dashboard record and it brings me to the dashboard page. Now that's it for today. If you found this helpful, give us a like, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video. Thank you.